Minimum age required for voting. Total number of Lok Sabha seats in Meghalaya is. District headquarters of West Garo Hills is. District headquarters of Ribhoi is. Which is the Meghalaya state animal? How many districts are in Meghalaya? Who was the first Chief Minister of Meghalaya? Who is the current Chief Minister of Meghalaya? Who is the current Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya? Who is the present MP of Shillong? Total number of Rajya Sabha seats in Meghalaya is. The members of the State Legislative Assembly are elected for what period? When did Meghalaya become a state? Who was the candidate for President of India from Meghalaya in 1992? Which is the Meghalaya state tree?
Who is the present MP of Tura?
Who was the first governor of Meghalaya? Northeastern Police Academy is situated in. Which is the Meghalaya state flowers? Who is the current governor of Meghalaya? Who is the current Director General of Police of Meghalaya?
Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.